paper cup spilled on the stair, keys in the drain and no one cares. Wind plays games with my coat, but I laugh like I know the joke. Left my shoes in the pouring rain, sang off key on a lonely train. Even the mirror turned away, still I stayed and faced the day. All the cracks begin to glow where the heavy hours go. Maybe there's a thread I can't yet see, woven through the mess so tenderly. Even when the colors fade, there's a dance that won't betray. Mailbox full of yesterday, letters I forgot to say, but silence hums a quiet tune that promises another room. Every wrong note finds its rhyme in some rhythm out of time. Maybe there's a light I've yet to find, flickering just past the frame of mind. Even when the frame is bare, something kind is waiting there. Falling leaves don't ask for why, they just trust the shifting sky. So I'll breathe and let it be. Each undone thread is part of me. Maybe there's a wind that knows my name, moving through the stillness all the same. Even when the song feels thin, there's a strength beneath the skin. Maybe there's a joy in not yet known, in every path I walk alone. Even when the map won't show, the sky above still turns below.
Dust hangs low where my name used to ring. Time curled in corners I tried to ignore. I traced old voices that didn't sing, just the hush of dreams left on the floor. Staring at reflections that won't stay still. The silence speaks in riddles I can't decode. Try to fill the cracks with bitter will, but every scar I carry still shows me the road. I held my breath at the edge of the tide, felt something real I couldn't define. It breaks, it fades, but never dies, like the shimmer caught in shattered skies. I bleed, I climb, and still I try to chase the truth I can't deny. Old regrets hang like smoke in the air. I whisper to the past, but it won't speak back. Each choice a thread too frayed to repair, but I stitch what's left and refuse to crack. I lost my name in the static and light, but found a fire in the absence of right. It bends, it burns, but won't retreat, like footsteps pressed in melting sleet. I fall, I fight, and still I breathe, chasing something I can't see. strength that roars or shouts. It's in the hush before the doubt, where broken pieces still reflect the parts of me I won't forget. It fades, it aches, but still it shines. A fragile pulse in crooked lines. I break, I rise, and I define myself beneath the fractured time. It shatters, yet I see it clear. The light that trembles but draws me near. I run, I fall, but persevere. There's truth in every scar I bear. Morning dew on your fingertips, tracing patterns on my skin. Coffee steam in the air we breathe, feels like home where love begins. Every glance a melody, soft and golden effortlessly. You don't need to say a thing, I already know. Every light in the world shines a little more when you're laughing like that at the corner store. Every step we take, every breath we make turns the ordinary into something great. Worn out shoes on the city streets, skipping cracks like we're 16. Sunlight dances on broken glass, even gray feels evergreen. Every touch a symphony, falling deeper endlessly. You don't need to say a thing, I already know. Every light in the world shines a little more when you're laughing like that at the corner store. Every step we take, every breath we make turns the ordinary into something great. We don't need a grand escape, every day's a holiday. Sidewalk dreams and paper planes, just you and me, and that's okay. Every light in the world sings a little more when you're spinning me round on the kitchen floor. Every step we take, every breath we make turns the ordinary into something great. Every light in the world shines a little more when you whisper my name like you did before. Every step we take, every breath we make turns the ordinary into something great. I took a step where no one goes, no map to show me where it flows. The silence loud, the doubts run deep, but still I dream, I climb, I leap. They say the world can turn too fast and promises are hard to last, but even when the light is thin, I hear a voice that burns within. I walked through shadows, faced the fear, but something in me kept me near. So I keep walking through the choice I make, each door I close becomes the path that no one knows. The past behind it doesn't change. I've learned to dance inside the rain. I've seen the edges, felt the cracks, but I won't ever turn my back. So I keep walking, come what may. No winds or waves will make me sway. If I tremble, flame inside, I walk this fire, I won't hide. And if I break, I'll break to grow. There's strength in not just what you know. I'll wear my scars like armor worn, a soul reborn. But every heartbeat makes me pure. If I stumble, I won't lose. This the path that I will choose. This is my call, my endless climb. I'll trust myself beyond the time. So I keep walking, come what may. Through shifting skies and shades of gray. No perfect road, no guarantee, but I'll be who I'm meant to be. This is my truth, my voice, my flame. I walk ahead, unchanged by name. Unchanged by name.
Clouds drift like paper birds in flight. Mountains hum in colors I can't write. I trace the silence in your hand and find a rhythm I now understand. Laughter spills like water from the trees. Your breath stirs secrets in the breeze. Even shadows seem to glow when your footsteps move so slow. There's a trembling in my chest when I see the world through your eyes. Nothing staged, nothing dressed, just the truth in open skies. And I am here, where wonder leans into the light, where every second feels wide-eyed with you. Even the quiet sings, and I forget what doubt might bring. The river bends without a map. Still it finds its way back, like me returning to your voice, not by fate but always by choice. Even silence holds a tune.